Kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia.
Hi, good day everyone. This is Mr. Dani speaks here to guide you in learning the new path of skill and knowledge about how to build 3D shaped nets, especially for cube and cuboid. As you learned previously about how to build it manually, now, by sophisticated of technology, we are going to build it by using application straightly from your gadget, Geogebra. Now, let's we access it from any browser in your gadget. Just type www.geogebra.org and then /classic and hit enter. And you are directed to the website. Then follow for the further instructions. Indeed, there are so many features here and navigation buttons there. But don't worry, we are going to learn it step by step and try the way as simple as we can. At the end, we are able to build the nets through this application. Okay, let's go. Firstly, we are going to split the workspace into 3 areas, such as algebra, exactly here, where we can put or input the formula. Next, graphic, where we can put the coordinate into the grid screen, and 3D graphic, but we have to activate it by select 3 bars icon here, that light on your right edge screen. Wait for a while. Okay, so let's repeat it again. 3 bars icon here, and after that we can select view here, and then just put the check mark for the 3D graphic here. Then as you see here, there are any 3 areas of the worksheet. The algebra area here, next about the graphic here, and the last one is about the 3D graphic here. Okay, next let's start to make the basement of cube by activating the polygon icon. So first of all, you have to select or activate the second area or the graphic here by hit at any spot here, so it will automatically activate it. And after that, activate or select the polygon icon. You can see here, like, yeah, the triangle symbols here, and choose this one. Now let's restart it. But if you get some difficulties about it, you can resize the screen for the graphic area here by expand it here, and also for this one here. Okay, so it can be clearly seen here. Okay, so let's restart. Let's say I will make the cube, so I have to make a square shape here. So I will start it from the coordinate of 0 and 0 as a level, and then 3 here, and also for here and here. Okay, and go back to A again. So from here we know that it is formed the square, which has measurement of 3 units. Now move to the 3D graphic area here. Okay, let me minimize it. Yeah, as we can see here, the square that already made on graphic area here automatically built on 3D graphic area here. Okay, so at this time select it on 3D graphic area, and then we can choose this one, this icon, yeah, like pyramid, and then we can go to extrude to prism. Then we can easily build the height of cube from the square on 3D graphic area here, like this one. Just drag it, because we are going to make the cube, so all sides must be in same measurement, also for the height. Yeah. So this is it. Okay, after the cube is formed, now select it and find next icon. You can see here, yeah, just hit it, and also next select the net here. Select net here. Okay, then select the cube and ta-da! The net instantly made. At this point, we have succeeded to build the digital nets of cube. Now we will make an interesting animation of how net is transformed into cube. But before we go further, let's remove the cube on 3D graphic by clicking the color button that has label of cube on algebra area. You can see it here in here. So we can maximize the screen to be like this one. And let's see about this one. So E here represented about the cube or the prism here. Yeah. So we can make the color button here, especially the red button here, become white button. And automatically, if you see in the 3D area or 3D graphic area here, so it will automatically disappear here. Next, we can also remove about the label here, E, F, G, and H. Okay, let's start from F first. So just select it, yeah, or maybe from G. Okay, and after that, just hold it until appear about the option here, and just uncheck mark about the show object here. And also for H, just hold it until the option is appear, just click show object and uncheck mark the it. And also for this one, uncheck mark the show object here, and the last one is about F here, uncheck mark the show object here, and it is really form the net. So when the net is formed, at the same time the navigator button is formed on graphic area here. So I can maximize it here, and as you see here, this is it. This is the navigation button. So maybe we can move it, yeah, to some blank area here, something like this one. Okay, just drag it, yeah, and put it on the blank space here, and as if you slide it to the right, the net will be opened. Okay, and if you slide it to the left, the net will transform into cube. Is it cool, isn't it? Now you have succeeded to make the net transform into cube. So now let's add another button to operate the animation of net. I mean, it will move automatically without our actions to slide it to the left or to the right. So when it can automatically move, it means the net has been animated. Okay, so how do we do that? On graphic area, select the button icon. Yeah, you can see here from this one. Yeah, okay, from the slider icon, just hit it, and then will appear some option here, and just click button here or OK with rectangles. Then click on any spot in graphic area. Let me click it here. Then appear a dialog box. Next, fill in the caption with the label name of button. It can be plain. It will be the label for the button. PLAY. Next, then go to the Geogebra script here. Now we are going to input the code to make the animation work. Just type start animation with no space here, and you have to make sure that S and A here, S for start and A for animation here, as the big letter. And after that, just make a parenthesis, then you just input F here. Why? Because F as the slider for the net that can be transformed into cube. How you can know about it? Yeah, just take a look on the graphic area about the slider that is appear for the first time, and the letter will show you about the label of the slider. Okay, F. Next, give comma and then give space here and type through. Why? Because when we type through here, so the animation will be start, or it will be worked automatically. It will be make a net transform into cube, and cube transform into net. So it's just like a loop. Yeah. And after that, give a parenthesis again. So that is the script of it. And after that, just click OK, and automatically the play button is appear here. So let me test it. How? Just select this one about the move button here, and then let's we check it. Just hit the play here. Okay, as you see here, yeah, okay, we can resize it. Yeah, we can minimize the measurement of it. Yeah, as we see here, the animation starts to transform net into cube and vice versa, or it makes some loop process. It works, right? Now, while the animations works, we can still do the same way to make stop button by selecting button icon again in here, and then just click here, hit any spot on the area. When the dialog box opens, please fill in the caption with stop, or maybe you can use any words that show that it must be stopped. Yeah, stop. Okay, and for the Geogebra script, type same like the play button. Yeah, type start animations with no space, and you have to make sure that the letter of S for start and A for animation must be in big letter. And after that, give parentheses, and just the same way we will identify F or the sliders here. Next, give comma and give space, and now we have to type false. Why? Because false will indicate that the process must be stopped, but true will indicate that the process must be works. Okay, so that is how we can write the script. And don't forget to give the parentheses again, and then just hit OK here. Okay, now you have the stop button here, and you can put it here, or you can move the graphic here. Okay, and after that, let me try. Okay, let me play it again by hit the play button and stop button. It works. Also, we can also add spin button to make the animations level up. How? By clicking on the graphic area again, and now select the button icon like this one, yeah, and then click on any spot on that area. When the dialog box opens, fill in the caption with spin to make it rotate, or like a 360 view. And for Geogebra Script, now type set spin speed, and you have to make sure that S for set and then S for speed and then S for speed must be in a big letter or capitalized. Then give a parenthesis. Now after that, just give a space here and input any numbers to identify about the speed of the spin of the object. Okay, so let's say in this case I will give it in 6. Okay, but you can have some experiments by give any numbers and then give space again, and then don't forget to give the parentheses again, and then after that just hit OK, and the spin button automatically appear. So let's try it. Okay, wait for a while. I have to put in here. Let's restart. As you see here, it will be spin, and if I play it, it will be like this one. Okay. Now the animations is done nicely. We can operate the animations by hitting the buttons. Finally, let's close the algebra area here. Okay. Or maybe we can minimize it by drag it to the left. and especially for the graphic area here, we can choose this symbol, yeah, the three bars with circle and triangle. Or toggle style bar. Something like this one, and especially for the 3D graphic here, put the algebra, you can close the algebra view here by click on again the three bars here, and for the view option here, just uncheck mark the algebra. Okay, and that's it. This is how we make the animation of the net. This one. Is it cool, right? So you can do the same way to build the net for the cuboid. So I hope it will be useful for us. And the last but not least is, if we want to save our project here, we can export it into GIF format or GIF. But in case of there is no that option about the GIF format, so what do we do? First of all, we can hit the three bars here again, and then just click File, and then just click Download As. And if there is no GIF here, so you can download it as the HTML, and then hit Export. Or after you download it in HTML format, you can find your file on your file managers on your gadget. For example, like this one, Geogebra export.html, and then just drag it, hold it for a while, and then just choose open with, yeah, or open in any applications, and then just open it with your browser, maybe my browser, either my browser or Chrome, so that in case if I open it by using Chrome, then it will be open like this one, and you can see about the result like this one. If you play, it will be like this one. Yeah. You can see it from different point of view here, and if you pause, it will be like this one, and if you make it spin, it will be like this one. Well, it can also be played like this one. Okay, so that is the tutorial for making the digital net of cube by using the Geogebra application. I hope it can help you to enhance your knowledge about using the technology in your daily life, especially also for your tasks in education subject. So you can share about this video to your student also, or to your peer, yeah, so it will also enhance their knowledge also, because sharing is caring. Thank you everyone, and God bless you all.